Companies across Southeast Asia are facing the complex challenge of balancing business growth against constantly evolving low-carbon footprint requirements. These requirements vary widely across countries and companies, which means that low-carbon solutions for each customer may differ. To support our customers, Mitsubishi Heavy Industries Engine System Asia, MHI-ESA, collaborates with our partners in the region to accurately identify power demand needs. This enables us to propose and build phased and realistic power generation plans for our customers that consider national guidelines, carbon limits and fuel procurement requirements, as well as infrastructure conditions of the countries that our customers operate in. This has allowed us to stay relevant to our customers in Southeast Asia and establish a strong presence and trust in the region's backup power generation sector for over 30 years.
MHI-ESA inherited successful experiences of producing gas engine power generator from our mother factory in Japan. We are confident and committed to provide trusted technology to help our customers achieve greener future. This is our mission.
In Singapore, we have been producing generator sets for many years. With strong support from our Japanese head office, MGS has grown into a strong brand name across this region. On gaining success of MGS from the past, with the incorporation of an innovative design, higher quality production methods, accurate tools, and the right facilities, we started a new line for the Mitsubishi gas engine generator, the MGS G series in this plant. Every MGS G we produced here are 100% tested without exception. We assure you that every unit is being produced consistently with an utmost regard for product safety, reliability, robustness, and ease of operation, which we believe will help many customers. Working closely with our dealers and partners, our ethical and agility service, MGSG serves vital power for industrial factories, shopping malls, airports, hospitals for emergency backup, peak cuts during high demand season, and continuous power electricity supply for independent power producers. At Mitsubishi Heavy Industries Engine System Asia, MHI-ESA, we strive for excellence, innovation, and for our products to be more fuel flexible and stable in operations. We embrace a culturally diverse workplace. We also wholeheartedly believe in achieving a carbon-neutral society, which means using energy transition solutions such as the MGS-G in the interim.
MHI-ESA aims to be the leader of power generation transition with our business partners to help our customers achieve a greener future.